Miss Fatima has been doing some good shopping recently and got the large bundle from Melt Cosmetics. She also got the small bundle. That was a previous video. So when you're done watching this one, you can go back and watch that one. She is excited to show you what came in this bundle. This is the Heartbreak mystery bundle from Melt Cosmetics, and it was $50 with a estimated value of $199. And I am impressed. We only got one actual duplicate from the smaller bundle, which I was very pleased with that because I was a little concerned with buying both of them. Were we going to have duplicates of everything or most everything? This is the larger bundle. The only true duplicate was the nail stickers. We got a gel liner in the shade Penny. Looks like a penny. This I'm going to pass on. I'm not much of a liner person. But that's okay. We were curious to see what Melt Cosmetics had because we've never really used anything by them. So we took a leap. And I think we got some neat stuff. Keep watching. We got a brow gel in clear. This is Max Hold. I'm not a brow gel person, so again, this is something that's going to get passed along, as well as the next item is also going to get passed along. But don't fret, there is something or other in here that we do like. The Waterline eyeliner pencil in the shade Caramel will also get passed along, and that's the shade. It matches the box, so we're leaving it packaged up. We were not expecting everything in here to be something that we would utilize. It's a mystery box. It is what it is. Did you see anything that you like? Let us know. And now let's see what Anne likes. We have a lip liner in the shade Bear. And what I like about this is lip liners can sometimes be a lipstick base, and then you put a nice clear gloss on top, and you get a pretty cute look. Hey, that's a good idea. We got the Supernatural mascara for $24 retail, according to the website, when it's full price. I'm attracted to this fun packaging. Oh yes, that is nice. And again, this mascara has got some heft to it. The other bundle that we got, the smaller bundle, did have a mascara in it, but not this particular one. It was a different version. So now I've got two of their mascaras to try, but I'm not digging into it yet because I've got 4 mascaras open, and that's more than I need to have open right now. I like that packaging. She's attracted to shiny things. Like you're not? Well, yeah, I like shiny things too. We got an eye blend brush, and it came in its own little plastic zippered container that could probably hold a couple brushes for travel purposes. This is 818 Eye Blend Brush, and thank you. You're welcome. That's what she looks like, nice and soft. Passes the bristle test because nothing is fluffing out from it. I like the way that it is weighted. It's an even keel, so to speak. It's weighted evenly. It doesn't feel too heavy. It doesn't feel lopsided, and it doesn't feel so light that I'm going to think I'm playing with a toy. Very nice. This next item has a good heft to it. It's $40 on their website for full price. I think it might be on sale right now. This is got some good spacious room and some good zippered pockets. This can be for around your waist, or the cord is apparently long enough that you can undo it and make it a crossbody bag. It has a zippered pouch on the back, which I'm trying to get into and not doing very well, but zippered pouch on the back, and the front has a good wide opening. Everything was stuffed in here, and inside there is a small inner pocket, no closure on that, but a good zipper on the front of this, and this has got some heft, and it's in a fun color. At least we think it's a fun color. Most people might not want to wear this every day. I'll wear this running errands. I'll wear this to Disneyland. I'll wear it to the zoo. I think this is a fun color. What do you think? What do you think of this color? What do you think of what we got so far? And there's one more item. We gotta show it to them. Let's hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay. We are now proud owners of the Gemini Palette. And I don't know if the camera picks it up, but there is embossing on the front of the palette that is just stunning. Very nice. And here are the colors. Granted, the color story is not our usual trend, but there are some shimmers in here that are catching our attention. And also, like we said earlier, we've never really used Melt Cosmetics before, so this is a great opportunity to get to try out the product at reduced cost. This is a palette that normally has a hefty price tag. The Gemini palette is normally $58 for this, currently on sale for $43. I'm going to do swatches. I need a brush. Huh, funny you should mention needing a brush. Wonder where we could find a brush. Oh, seriously. A brush came in the box. Give me the darn thing. Impatient much? When it comes to swatching, yes. The camel has spoken. Yes, I have. It's swatching time! Very nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching almost as much as I like shopping. What did you think of that palette? I think it was a winner. And a quick thank you to Miss Dion on her channel for having shared the fact on one of her community posts that there was a bundle sale over at Melt Cosmetics. Hi Dion, how you doing? Got any snazzy eyeshadows for me? A quick look at the nitty-gritty Heartbreak mystery bundle from Melt Cosmetics, $50 with a value of $199, and I do believe they were accurate in that assessment. 9 items, so technically each item is $5.56 each. You can't go wrong with that. They had some items that I'm going to pass along. They had some items that were excited to try out their product. So thanks for joining us today. We appreciate it. Comment, like, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff, because we got fun stuff going on over here.